Hey everyone, my name's Adam, and welcome to this month's Watermark Words of Wisdom. It's getting later into the spring, and with that, we're about to spend a lot more time outdoors and in the sun. What better way to spend time outdoors than with our furry friends at the community dog park? We here at Watermark Residential wanted to give you a few quick tips on how to spend time with your furry friend and have a good and safe time. The first step is to make sure your pup is ready to hang out with others. Ensure that your dog is up to date on his medications and vaccinations to keep himself and others safe. We also highly recommend that you have your pet spayed or neutered. If this is your dog's first trip to the dog park, it might be a good idea to get him used to it in a small, controlled environment first. Then, once you're sure your dog's going to behave, introduce him to the larger park. Once you get to the dog park, make sure you ensure your furry friend is comfortable. It's really important to bring a handful of their favorite treats so you can give them to them and know that this is a safe space for them to hang out. It'll also help later on if you need to call them back in for any reason. Our next tip is to not treat the dog park as a substitute for a walk with your dog. Dog park is a great way to get some exercise, but nothing beats the one-on-one time that you'll get with a walk with your dog. A great rule of thumb is to take a 15-minute walk before the dog park and a 15-minute walk after. Our next tip is to not clock out once you reach the dog park. It's important to remain in control of your dog by keeping a calm and authoritative manner. Also, don't forget to clean up after your dog. It's important that the dog park remain a clean and safe space for all dogs alike. Our final tip is to trust your dog for how long they want to stay at the park. If your dog looks disinterested or is playing with dogs that it doesn't like, it might be best to call it a day. On the other hand, if it looks like it's having a blast, maybe stay for a while. And that's it. Thank you for tuning into this month's Watermark Words of Wisdom. We hope this month's tips weren't too rough, and we hope to see you soon in one of our communities.